Will you marry me? Yes or no?
Meron bang pagpipilian? Parang pag nagkamali ka ata ng sagot dito patay ka Yari ka sa no No choice yan.
Aroy, aroy. Agoy, agoy.
Hoy! Papapagulong. Tignan natin to. Suka ka dyan. Picture mo ulo. Buti yan lang ang naipit sa'yo. Hindi si Pututoy.
Aray mo, tukak.
Hindi pala yung babae yung gusto. Gusto pala tugan. Uno reverse.
Aroy, aroy. Agoy, agoy.
Oh my God!
Naalala ko, nakasakay din kami sa pick-up ng tropa namin. Pagpreno niya, yan, liparan kami lahat sa una. Yung isang kasama namin, buti nahawakan namin. Lumipad sa may bubong, pababa na sa harapan. Legit po yan. Kaya guys, ingat-ingat mo tayo pag nakasakay kayo sa bed ng pick-up. Peace.
Aroy, aroy. Agoy, agoy.
So what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. Yan, shoutout time po tayo. Okay, here we go. First shoutout tayo kay Ren K from Ciudad Zamboanga del Norte. Something like that. Next naman po kay KJ Bernardo. Next shoutout natin kay Emma Cruz from Alaminos, Laguna. Next naman po kay North Hasim Kusin. Hey, what's up brother? Yan, shoutout natin yan from Cotabato City yan. Yan si brother Norsim. Next naman po kay JM Galupo. Yan, what's up? Next shoutout Clinton Kahokson. Next naman po kay Dili Naka. Yan, from San Vicente, Bulacan. Purok 19, yan. Angelica Palog daw po siya. Okay? Yung pangalan niya. Next po kay Parza Alawaddin. Yan, what's up? Oh, thank you very much, ma'am. Peoples ba? Yan. Next po kay Marian Reduca. Yan, shoutout sa'yo. Next shoutout natin kay Glaze Blocks from Escalante City, Negros Occidental. Bajan Jacob. Yan, what's up? Next shoutout natin, Simple Lang Vlog. Yan, from Mateo. Yan, what's up? Next po kay Aaron Jared Cardino from Zambales. Hey, what's up? And that's it guys, yun na po ang last shoutout natin for today. Until to the next time guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And I hope nag-enjoy tayo dun sa mga kakaibang reaction video na ginagawan po natin. And of course, this is for entertainment. Kaya guys, good vibes lang tayo dito. This is for fun guys, okay? As always guys, take care, peace and one love.